What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review, unboxing and installation of this rocket ship play tent as I have right here in this package. As you guys can see, so I'm just going to unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. Though this is basically for kids, so if you have your kids age 3 and up, you can definitely get this tent for them. I'm going to show you how it works and what's inside and how it basically look, and if I can roll inside. I'm really gonna try, but yes, I'm going to unbox it right now, let you guys see what's inside. So let's get into it. So as you can see guys, it basically comes in this carrying bag right here, play tie light right here that you can use to to shine inside. So when you set it up, you guys can see how it basically works. This is the tent right here. Just gonna fold it out right now. Wow, that's how it look. So we have this part right here, some bone to make it a bit sturdy. This right here guys, this is the user manual that you can use to set it up. So we're gonna get the connection up right now. So these are the stick for the connection. One more stick right there. So we have at least 4 pieces of these. So these are the poles right here. So as you can see right now, let me put this together, adjust this, put them into place sturdy. And on this there's a color code, right? So on this tip right here you can see there's a white piece, and on this tip right here down here you can see there's a black piece. Now when you're installing it, you're going to install it inside the tent. Now the white piece should be for the roof and the black piece is going to be for the bottom. So what we can do, we can put them up like this. As you can see, it well joined up together. This part right here is for the corners. So what you're going to do, we're going to put it inside the tent, and then we're going to find a section in which we can hook it into. So remember that the white piece is for the top. So let me put this inside, and I'm going to find a section where I can use the support. So one of the corner right here should be one of the support right up here. As you guys can see, I have finally installed one piece right here. Now inside there's a black thing in there which you can basically put the bottom part into. We have a section right here as well where we can tie the binding, which is this binding right here, and we're going to push it up to the top, which I'm showing you guys in those B-rolls. So I'm going to install the other 4 now and let you guys see. On the next support now at the back. Inside the package also we have this little light right here, as you can see, that your kids can use to play with. Like it have a bit of different colors, so I'm going to unbox it let you guys see how it basically looks. So that was a terrible unboxing. These are the light. This is light right here, and I'm just gonna take out this part, see if it can work. Yes, actually it works. Now these are some little bit of layers, which some different things on them that you can basically turn it to see different face image. So this is one right here of a different one, and this one right here is a different one as well. All right, for this to basically work, what we're going to do, each of these we're going to just push this inside. So there's a part right here. As you can see, we can bring this down like so, and we can slide these images inside. Just gonna slide this down, push it inside, and it should produce the image. Inside the tent, you can see you can basically turn this to get different image selection. So I'm gonna try it right now and see if it basically works. Alright guys, so here I have it inside the tent. I wish I could show you how it works, but unfortunately in the day you're not gonna see much reflection of this right here. You're gonna wait the time is dark so you can see the reflection of these light. And there are nice some image on here that you can basically look on to see the reflection of the spacecraft is in the sky and something like that. But in the day you won't be able to see them. I probably give a B-roll of these so you can basically see the image on it, so you guys can have an idea of how it looks. And yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have completed the installation, and this is how it's looking so far. Right around, so we have some windows right here. As you can see, that bit of ventilation that you can get amount of air on the outside. And the back right here, it's basically blank. So on this side as well, we have a bit of window for some ventilation as well. And right here we have a door, so right here we can basically lock it, so like this with these straps. As you can see guys, inside is very spacious, and there's where you put these BOUNS inside right there, as you can see. And to up here you can see that we tie them up, and up to the ceiling, as you can see guys, we band them up each section right there. And this is how it look inside. Very spacious, as you can see. Even me can hold inside this right here, this little tent. So this can use especially if you like go out on the beach, going camping, and this can use for your little kids to basically use. It's a great toy to use, little tent, and indoors, outdoors. But the thing about this though is not so much waterproof, so you might get wet inside based on if you're not having anything to cover this properly. So it can withstand amount of rain, but I wouldn't recommend using it in a heavy duty rain settings. But like outdoor like this, it works really well. Bit of little inside, and that's how it look inside guys. Looking really neat. As you can see, I'm loving it so far.